I worked at a research lab on campus and a biomedical physical sciences building in which we actually worked with the like different DNA and plasmids from HIV. We kind of made the HIV there, in which we mutated the DNA and basically tried to make it so that we could figure out what proteins and what parts of the DNA was involved in infecting people.
And what were some of your findings?
Basically, we found that HIV, well, your body has natural defenses against HIV, and most people don't know that. And it's basically these proteins called the APOBAC proteins, in which it degrades it stops viral replication into an infected cell. But HIV produces these proteins called VIV, in which it actually degrades the body's the proteins that are created by the body, so that HIV is able to replicate inside the body, even though you have these natural defenses against it. And basically, I mean, once you're infected with HIV, you may not experience any symptoms. There's like a lag period of maybe a couple of years before you maybe even have any symptoms from the disease. So, I mean, basically, we just worked with different proteins involved in the replication and the transcription of the virus. Demographic as being mostly, I guess, Caucasians, but that can just be because of the area that I was volunteered at. There tend to be a wide assortment of ages. I mean, there's people from probably 18 all the way up to like in their 50s. So I don't really get a lot of time to talk to people there. I not to get too involved with the people. 'Cause I don't want to. I mean, you don't want to alienate them, but if I was based upon observations, I would say that maybe they were mostly students because they were a lot of younger people. But I mean, you can't just assume they were students. So, but there definitely was a significant amount of people that would be in that category of like, I mean, the age group of like 18 to 25 that could be students. But like I said, there were a lot of people that were like in their 50s and 40s. So it just kind of, it's a disease that affects a lot of people. So
All right.
not really a specific demographic.